Hola. Now we're going to learn about one of my favorite tenses. It's a very positive tense called el futuro perfecto, the perfect future. That's what we all want, don't we? We learned el presente perfecto, the perfect present. Now we're going to learn el futuro perfecto. What's the difference? Well, not much. The past participle portion stays exactly the same. So for our verbs, hablar, for example, to speak we have hablado, spoken. Comer, to eat, we have comido, eaten. Vivir, to live, we have vivido, lived. So we have ado and ido are the endings for the pasado participio. In the presente perfecto, we take the verb haber, we write it in the present tense. In the pasado perfecto, which we've seen, we take the auxiliary verb haber and we write it in the imperfecto past tense. Right? Yo había, tú habías, él había. And this part stays exactly the same. Now in el futuro perfecto, we are going to take the verb haber and conjugate it in el futuro, in the future tense. This, though, is one of the irregular forms. So as you remember, the endings for the futuro we're going to add to this stem here that looks like that. So it would be yo habré. For example, yo habré hablado. I will have spoken to him by this time tomorrow morning. It's not used that often, but it's important for you to recognize this tense. Tú habrás. Tú habrás comido. You will have eaten by 6 o'clock this evening. Él habrá. Él habrá vivido en dos casas. He will have lived in 2 homes or 2 houses before the end of the year. Nosotros habremos. Nosotros habremos aprendido. We will have learned el futuro perfecto by the end of this class. Ellos, you can probably guess by now, habrán. Ellos habrán terminado su clase. They will have finished their class, or whatever. Future, in the auxiliary verb. Past, in the past participle, sort of talking about a past action that will be finished in the future. I know it's not used a lot, but especially when you're reading, you might not say that too often in Spanish. You might just use the future tense, or use the verb to go and say, I'm going to do something. But when you're reading, you'll often see that. For example, by this time tomorrow, right, the elections will have taken place. So we need to use the auxiliary verb haber and el futuro. This is an irregular futuro verb, and this past participle stays exactly the same. So as you see, it's not that tricky.